Hi, Chris from Corona Tools.
And I'm Shannon from Proven Winners ColorChoice Shrubs. And today we are going to talk about something that every gardener faces, weeds.
And most of them do not like that test. Out of everything that they do in the garden, weeding is one of the things that they hate doing most.
Well, I know for me personally, I have two little ones at home and I do not want to use chemicals as a weed solution. So I pull them all out. It can be hard and backbreaking, but there are a slew of tools that you can use to help this everyday gardening chore become so much easier.
Definitely. And it really depends on what kind of thing you're weeding. I mean, if you have a large area that you're weeding, then you're going to need something like this to really kind of go in and take care of a lot of the weeds. This is an oscillating hoe, and it makes it easy to just kind of come in and it just goes right along.
Oh my goodness.
And cleans this all up. So this is something that you would use for a much wider area.
That was amazing.
So quick and so easy.
So quick and easy. Now, what if you have a lawn and you're trying to get some of the dandelions and things like that out?
So this is a great tool for getting things like taproot weeds, dandelions. We've all got them in our yards. And with the prong fork, you just dig it right into the ground. It's got this great little thumb notch on there so you can get it down in the ground. And when you pull the root out, it's got these little fork things that holds the root. That weed is never coming back again.
Okay, so I am dying to use this tool, which
this is
does
one of my
the
favorites.
same thing,
Yeah.
but without having to lean down and do all of that stuff.
Definitely. So if you want no bending weeding, this is an excellent tool.
Walk me through it.
Okay, so just place the tool right on top of the weed. You've got a little foot plate there to just get it down inside there. Now, twist it 360 degrees.
All right.
And now pull up and pop the plunger, and there it goes.
This
No
is my
bend
new
weeding.
favorite tool right here. This
You
is
can
great.
the nice thing about that is you can put it right into your waste bin or your green bin so that you can get them out and you don't even have to bend over to get it.
This is such a back saver.
It really
This
is.
is amazing.
And it's great for lawns. It leaves a little bit of a hole in there, but it's great for aerating the grass.
You just
while you're
plant a
at it.
bulb in there when you're done.
There
and
you
you're
go.
fine.
It's like a great bulb planter. Now, a lot of times you will be having to weed in between beds and around plants. I love these little hand tools for things like that. This is we call it a hoe cultivator.
Okay.
So on one side it's a hoe, the other side it's a cultivator, but just get in there if there's things that you need to break up, use the hoe side, and then when you want to just get around the base of the plants or whatever, use the cultivator side.
I have one of those and I use it quite often around all of my shrubs.
Yeah, I mean, that is a very handy tool to have when you're working around plants. This one I love in particular is that if you've got like hard soils and you've got all those weeds, crabgrass, and you might not have crabgrass out here,
I
but
have
we
so
do.
much crabgrass.
But when it's in hard compacted soils, you can see how this just comes to a real sharp point and it's sharp on the edges. It's just going to penetrate the ground and you can just chop it up, dig those weeds up.
All right, and we have one more weeding tool.
One more, which is your favorite.
This is a Hori knife or a soil knife, and I do use this often for weeding. I'll just jab it in the soil, loosen the root, and pop it right out. And it has a sharp edge. It cuts through everything. It's just amazing.
You gotta have it.
You gotta have one of these. If you have any questions about these tools, they are linked in the description below, and you can reach out to us at provenwinnerscolorchoice.com
Or coronatoolsusa.com.